Today I'm going to make Greek meat sauce, which is called keema. Here we have all the ingredients. We have around 30 ounces of tomato sauce, around 12 ounces of tomato juice, 1 cup of olive oil, around 3 pounds of ground beef, 2 medium-sized chopped up onions, and we have salt to taste, pepper to taste, around 4 bay leaves depending on the size, oregano, and again to taste, and this is allspice. Add onions to the hot oil and saute until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, you want to add the ground meat. And make sure you mix really well. Once the meat is mixed well with the onions, you want to add the spices. So we got the allspice, the bay leaf, the salt, oregano, and pepper. Once you mixed in all the spices, you want to add your tomato sauce and your tomato juice and mix well. You want to add a little water to the container you had your tomato sauce in, rinse it off a little bit, and add the water into the mix. Then you want to simmer for around 45 minutes, but make sure you do mix every so often. When you're getting close to be done, make sure you taste it to make sure it has enough salt and pepper. This meat sauce goes really well with pasta and cheese. Now, a little side note here. Pasta is not fattening as long as you eat it when you're hungry and you stop eating it when you satisfy your hunger. So enjoy.